Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Sarah Grody. Chris has the day off. The Marion General Motors plant is one of 12 factories in competition for a $134 million company investment. According to company officials, the investment will not create new jobs, but help secure nearly 90 existing positions. After the March closing of the Thompson plant, which laid off nearly 1,000 workers, Mayor Wayne Seabold says the possible investment at GM could be a good sign for one of Grant County's largest employers. The recipient of the deal will be announced in the next 3 weeks. Business travelers coming to Henry County can now feel like they've never left home. Newslink Indiana's Abby Walton takes us to a bed and breakfast that mixes business with pleasure.
In the heart of downtown Newcastle is a country retreat. The Raintree Bed and Breakfast is much more than just another Holiday Inn for tired road warriors.
We are unique in the fact that we are the only bed and breakfast in town.
Family heirlooms adorn this 1900s Queen Anne-style home, which has been open for business since 2002. That's when software consultant Dave McAllister decided he needed some more fun in his life.
While visitors to the Raintree will notice the antique furnishings, McAllister says there are also a few modern-day appliances that are hiding around the house. For example, behind this antique cabinet, there's a TV, DVD, and VCR player, and the house is also equipped with wireless internet.
McAllister's B&B is unique because he rents out the entire upstairs as one unit. It's equipped with bedrooms, a family room, a bathroom, and a kitchen, something Christine Millette of the Henry County Convention and Visitors Bureau says is a unique experience.
If you're going to go a long distance or if you're going to stay anywhere, why not try to stay in somebody's house?
Guests are pampered with homemade biscuits, coffee, and plum jam made from plum trees in the yard. Just the sort of luxury that makes life easier for McAllister's working clientele. In Newcastle, Abby Walton, Newslink, Indiana.
The Raintree B&B is open year-round. Contact Dave McAllister at 765-529-3428 for more information. Now here's a look at the Newslink, Indiana forecast. Temperatures today will be a little below average. The high will be 80 degrees and skies will be partly cloudy. Overnight tonight, our low temperatures will be 58 degrees and skies will be mostly cloudy. And in the 5-day forecast, temperatures later this week will struggle to reach 70. And that is Newslink, Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.